am Jami and welcome to my channel Random Fun by Jami. Today I am going to show you how to make this origami crane. Okay, for that we will need a sheet of printer paper cut square. You can use any kind of paper, but I am using this. First, fold the paper in half. In this direction, and now fold it in half in this direction. Now fold the paper diagonally in half in this direction and in this direction. Align edge to edge and crease sharply. Try to be as accurate as possible. Now fold it like this and fold this edge to the middle crease, turn over and fold this edge to the middle crease. Now open this pocket. Open it all the way and flatten it. Make sure that the four corners are in your side. Now fold this edge to the middle crease. And fold this edge to the middle crease. Turn over and do the same thing on this side. Now fold this flap down on these two edges. Unfold and do the same thing on this side. Fold the flap down. Unfold and unfold these two edges and also unfold these two edges. Now lift this flap up and push the flap on these two edges. We are making a petal fold. Try to be accurate. Turn over and do the same thing. And now make sure the split end is in your side and fold this edge to the middle crease. And fold this edge to the middle crease. Turn over and do the same thing on this side. Now pinch these two edges together and pinch these two edges together like this. Now fold it up, this edge up on this crease, and turn over, do the same thing. Now pinch these two together and fold this flap on this side and pinch these two together and fold this flap on this side. Now pull this flap in this side to your taste. I am folding it like this and fold it like this. Okay, now fold this edge like this to your taste. You can fold it to your taste and unfold and make a reverse fold on this side. Pinch this edge and then flatten it together like this. And now fold this flap down to your taste and do the same thing on this side. And your origami crane is ready. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. And consider to like the video and share with your friends and family. Bye. See you next time.